Today we're making healthy banana bread. These are our ingredients. We got some
almond flour, ground flaxseed, baking soda, Lily's dark chocolate,
bananas,
ripe bananas,
eggs,
vanilla extract, ground cinnamon, and unsweetened almond milk.
Let's make it. Woo, woo, woo.
So now we have all the ingredients measured. And Grayson and Lucas are gonna mash the bananas.
The banana mush, it looks like potatoes, right, guys? Mushed potatoes.
No, we're gonna put in the eggs.
Eggs. I don't know.
3 eggs, yep.
3 eggs.
Yep. Almond milk and vanilla extract. Luca, help Lucas. Good job.
Please, more, please. Put the chocolate chips in. I want the. It's okay.
So we put everything into our pan.
Now we're gonna do some food coloring.
And yep, to make it more fun, we're gonna add a little bit of food coloring.
I wanna mix it. Chocolate chips on top. Take the 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna eat it. Lucas, do you like it or no? I like it.
Oh, he likes it. Lucas likes it.
I like it like this. No, this. This. Oh, this. Bad and good. Actually, I like.